Are you facing claim denials in medical billing? This video will teach you how to check LCD, NCD, and insurance policy step by step to avoid costly mistakes and ensure faster payments. Hi, I am Simran, and in this video, you will learn how to verify whether a CPT code, diagnosis, ICD-10, or procedure is covered or not using official Medicare and insurance resources. Here, LCD stands as Local Coverage Determination. These are local rules based on state or region, and these rules are set by regional Medicare contractors. NCD stands as National Coverage Determination. These are national rules for the whole US at Medicare level, and these rules are set by Medicare for the whole United States of America. And insurance policy rules are set by private payers like Aetna, Cigna, and UnitedHealthcare. The purpose of these rules is to confirm if a procedure, CPT, or diagnosis is covered or not. In simple words, these policies tell you when insurance will pay and when they will deny. So, this is why checking LCD, NCD, and insurance policy is very important. Now, let me tell you how to check NCD step by step. First, go to Google, type Medicare Coverage Database, and then open the official Medicare site. Now enter CPT code like physical therapy or 99213 or procedure name in the search bar. After search, check and confirm. Is service covered? Which diagnosis is allowed? And is there any limitation? If diagnosis is not matching, claim will be denied.
Just like NCD, you can check LCD, but LCD depends on region. So, first, find your MAC, Medicare Contractor. It may be Novitas Solutions or Palmetto GBA. Now go to that MAC website and in the search bar, search CPT code or ICD-10 code and carefully check Covered Diagnosis List, Frequency Limits, how many times allowed, Documentation requirements. If diagnosis is not in LCD list, denial will come. But remember, LCD is region specific, so always match provider location.
Now let's move to private insurance. Go to the payer website. It may be Aetna, Cigna, or UnitedHealthcare. Then first search medical policy or clinical policy and enter CPT code or procedure name in search bar and check. Medical necessity. Prior authorization required or not. Any non-covered condition. For example, if prior authorization is required but not taken, claim will be denied. So, always verify LCD, NCD, and insurance policy before billing any claim. It helps you avoid denials and get faster payments. Thank you for watching.